Welcome to my channel. This video today is going to be about 3 different storage devices I bought for data transfer. 2 of them are going to be USB drives, including the Sandisk Ultra USB 3.0 128 gigabyte thumb drive. This thumb drive's pretty good looking little unit. Has a retractable USB connection. The next one is going to be an ONN brand, which I think is pretty much primarily a Walmart. It also has the retractable USB, also a 3.0 data transfer capable unit. The third one is going to be a solid state portable drive. It is a Seagate One Touch 500 gigabyte unit. It's fairly small, so it's a good alternative to a thumb drive. It'll easily fit in your front pocket or shirt pocket. It's a little bit bigger in size than a credit card, though it is thicker, obviously. It's about 3/8 of an inch to a 1/2 inch thick, but weighs almost nothing. We'll move on to the testing here in just a second. The first device up for the test is going to be this ONN branded 128 gigabyte 3.0, available at Walmart for $17.88. During this test, we're going to transfer data from my laptop to the drives, and then another test from the drive to the laptop. That way we can record the times and speeds, both write speeds and read speeds. Same file is going to be used for all tests. It's a 3 gigabyte photo file in one folder. So here goes the transfer from my hard drive in my laptop to the ONN thumb drive, so we can see what the write speeds are for the ONN. I sped through this test in order to speed things up for the video. You can see these funky valleys and hills. It did write at over 50 megs per second, but it kept slowing down to almost nothing for about 15 seconds and writing for only about 5. This test took over 3 minutes and 45 seconds to complete the write to the ONN thumb drive. I've never seen these types of results before on speeds. It's not very fast at all. So then we did the transfer once again from the thumb drive to my laptop hard drive folder. So delete the file here from the folder in my laptop, and then transfer from the ONN thumb drive into my hard drive file, and we'll see what the speeds are for that. Here we go. Click and drag the folder to copy to the hard drive. You can see the speeds go up quite a bit. I was surprised at the results here. We hit almost 100 megs, which is what the thumb drive is actually rated for on read speeds. Quite a bit faster. I kept this time or this video portion at real time, so you can see how fast it actually is. If I remember right, it took somewhere around, I think, 45 seconds or so for this transfer to occur, which surprised me because I figured for a cheap thumb drive and with how poorly it operated that it would not be quite that fast. So next up is the Sandisk. I'm going to load that one up into the laptop. Check the write speed from my laptop to the Sandisk. We'll drag and drop this folder over, and we'll see how it performs on the write speed. This one didn't perform quite as fast on the max speed. It did hit in the mid-30s, but it did it consistently once it ramped up. And because it didn't have the slowdown for 75% of the transfer, this thumb drive actually took care of the transfer 2 minutes faster, 1:45 as opposed to 3 minutes and 45 seconds. And then we're going to transfer back to the laptop, and the speeds there surprised me even more. It ramped up real fast, and was able to hit speeds up over 130 megs per second. Substantially faster, about 30 to 32% faster than the ONN did on the read speeds, so writing to my laptop. So that speed was significantly faster also. I think it was around 32 to 35 seconds for that data transfer. So consistently it was better on both upload and download, or read and write speeds. On the next test, we're going to pop up the Seagate, connect it to my USB port, and now this is a solid state hard drive, just like the one that's in my laptop, but it's portable. We're going to write to the solid state drive, and this is quite impressive. This thing hit some pretty good consistent speeds, almost as high as 200 megs per second. It wrote extremely fast, about double the speed of the ONN, and quite a bit faster than the Sandisk thumb drive. Now we're going to write from that solid state drive to the solid state drive that's in my laptop, and once again we get another bump of speed here. Read speeds are maxed out probably on this particular portable drive. I think the laptop hard drive can go even faster than this, but I think we hit the max read speeds off of the portable drive. So we're hitting at one point almost 250 megs of transfer. So consistently faster, obviously, as we went through the tests here. The portable drive consistently faster, considerably faster is what I meant to say. But as far as thumb drives go, I think the Sandisks performed pretty good for a write speed, and darn good for the read speeds. The ONN, on the other hand, I'm very unhappy with, even though the read speeds were pretty good. Transferring from one to the other is pretty good that way, but I highly recommend the Seagate if you don't need ultimate portability. I mean, this thing's so small and lightweight, it's worth the extra money to me for the storage side. But on the other hand, the ONN is something that I do not recommend. It just is so lagging. I mean, it was writing for 5 seconds at a good speed and then dormant for 15 seconds. And when you're transferring just a 3 gig file and it's taken 3 minutes and 45 seconds, it's irritating as heck. Sandisk, recommended for a thumb drive. Consistent speed in write and super fast speeds on read for transferring to whatever device you're trying to take data to. I hope this helps you out. Please like or subscribe. Thanks for watching the video.